this video, we show you how to replace a faulty FG-200 in a redundant configuration. Install the FG-200. The redundancy cable must be connected before the power supply. After that, you can start the Search and Configure tool. The old and the new FG-200 are found. Double-clicking on the MAC address of the new FG-200 opens a new mask. The new FG-200 can be recognized by the default IP address 192.168.0.100. Enter the IP address of the defective FG-200 here. The password is FG-admin. Confirm with Submit. The FG-200 will do a reboot. After restarting the FG-200, most of the required data is automatically transferred from the old FG-200 to the new FG-200. Only the Modbus parameters still have to be loaded into the FG-200. Open the browser with the PC, which must be in the same subnet as the FG-200. Enter the IP address of the FG-200. Log in with username and password. Click on Configuration, then on General Settings, and check Enable Modbus. Complete the configuration by clicking on Change Settings. Finally, only the Modbus parameters have to be loaded into the FG-200. Click on Configuration and then on Import Export. In the new mask, click on Browse and select the corresponding CSV file from the Explorer and click on Import. The import is acknowledged with the message Modbus mapping downloaded successfully. A click on Logout ends the replacement of the FG-200. This concludes the changing of the FG-200 in a redundant configuration. Further information can be found on our website industrial.softing.com. Thank you for your attention.